Mamima akwaba enfa Ghana and SMTVGH. Mesre will like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. I believe, say, NPP as a political party, we have a lot of talent. From various fields, health, journalism, what have you, civil society and everything, all across here. But you see, as I say, you also remind you who say NPP a political party. And the essence of a political party is to have political power. Power. So your political party now for 10 years, 12 years, 16 years, you are not in power. There is no real impact, the quintessence for the gift that you can make. And it becomes quite useless to claim, say, we are a political party, and all you can do is to remain in opposition. For some time now, there has been this conversation about the way some people in the NPP carry themselves about. People carry themselves as though they don't owe any loyalty whatsoever to the party, and as though they must be allowed to do whatever they feel like doing at every point in time. But that NPP is done for. Today, we are all speaking about Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan say, onye, and I say, the way Okasa no, and I say, ni kasa ni bino, political party, a party no. And we can also testify, say, in 2024, NDC, they used some of these tapes from Honorable Ken to campaign against us. And that is the reason why a lot of us became very much worried when just recently, Wasamba Bontiabeka said, from next year, he's going to those things, Now, Okatakyi Afrifa under Akufo-Addo always sought to paint the impression as though Akufo-Addo nipa boni. Akufo-Addo no did not even have what it took to be the president of this republic. In everything Akufo-Addo did, Okatakyi Afrifa sought to be a constant critic. In fact, there were times Krana Oko TV so Power FM ni TV SYZ no automatic ekosiani snaps ekobodia ekobo Akufo-Addo dia. And we all know say these things it played a major role in our defeat in 2024. Now, after our defeat, Okatakyi Afrifa will say you are identifying as a NPP ni, and you came for Congress last year, July, over Congress. Yemu bebresu yenim say Okatakyi Afrifa no our political ambition or person obey MP, and their common knowledge. And where recently me say also Roger, Emma prophecy be say Okatakyi Afrifa or where kwakoye MP no those things.
Kasa mudia said ya motina radio so a musi kasa mo bosro said ya mudia bibia mena medi levy buy mena medi tax to man for so
me menim say this in the common knowledge obianim say that is ni plan ni ideology no person be MP. Now Okatakyi Afrifa so nem say to become MP for Onono, it will be easier if he goes through NPP. Because when you are going through NPP, the party is going to support you. You are going to use the party's grassroots to do campaign for free. And when I see Okatakyi Afrifa speak as though say, Ebia onwa or ye part of NPP no, or ye favor be my MPP. We are not doing any favor to MPP. Again, Okatakyi Afrifa must know say enyo nunkwa nenim kasa. And I say enyo nunkwa na enye I know my right. Sir, I know my right is the reason why an MPP were opposition. NDC for and no more power. Look around. Everything is going bad. But you will not see any of their members come out openly to come and criticize Abino. And ye catch out Okatakyi Afrifa say, look, Nema be a wuye, the same be a wukai, ning naka unti na yewa opposition in there. Then all you can come and tell us in return, in say a ukasa anti na NPP opposition, and ye, you don't care if NPP remains in opposition forever. That is what Okatakyi Afrifa, in response to the fact, say, ye catch and say, okasa dodo. When you are part of a political party, now ufelesa nema baku mienu bi nko here. Or what you can do is say you say it behind closed door. Unim say oba boti beka. Ebe affecting the political fortune of the party. What do you benefit if your party that you belong to ever opposition? And me, I'm not a prophet of doom. I'm not saying say Okatakyi any fine gentleman. He's a fine gentleman. But I'm saying say more amuti ni constituency hono. Baby your person obey MP hono. You people must be careful trusting this gentleman with political power. Anybody that is not ready to play by the rules of the NPP, that person must not represent NPP or parliament. As a political party, by all means, say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be president. There are things we will get right, there are things we will get wrong. But if you have people who are not willing to keep secrets, if you have people who are not willing to, maybe if they are not appeased with something, say it behind closed door, then the NPP is getting ready to become like CPP. And if Okatakyi Afrifa, say, oni akuma, obet me de tina NPP mu, say yasemba, na enya sempapa. Ebia ono yebeka ewo meetings asi but onko be their name. He has no business becoming an MP on the ticket of the NPP. We don't want to pamper another version of Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan. And Okatakyi Afrifa a younger version of Honorable Ken say munima. I like Okatakyi Afrifa. Uba mi channel so crampwa. I have a whole playlist dedicated to for the records before he went to the US to go and continue any education. So I don't have any problem with him. But the only problem I have, and say, he coming now to say, so as a member of the NPP, if he feels aggrieved by something, he will rather go into the media, he will rather go to Facebook, TikTok, X, than saying it among ourselves for it to rectify it. I have a problem with it. I have a serious problem with it. And to Okatakyi Afrifa, if you want to be part of us, then you must be willing to keep our secrets. You must be willing to jubilate when we are jubilating. You must be willing to feel sad when we are all sad. That is my message, and I think say quite simple.
Memi ya yuko hine wa Santiago na. Eti dia me nananom ye no a mo ye na be me to aso. Obi afa bibia nwura me.
Yase mumu titru o ka ho bi ana MPP nkugu a ebi nsida e wo mema manwesama ya abakwasem. Omudie sanse mo kasa mo ka no e twe amanweko nipa wo se o mo ba mo twe o mo ba akiri.
Kasa mudie he.
Said ya mo tena radio so a musi kasa mo boso said ya mudie mo nam bibia e wo mutima.
Me na me di levy by. Me na me levy by. Me na me tax to man for so. Mo tuwa na mukika sabi se munu na kasa na kasa aboso na ka be kasa de eh ne no kura ne se MPP no se me kasa na me yakọ dia ene o manya tena opposition ache every say se bibi ikoso na menua no mo no edi nsemura me nkonkwohwe o maji se me pese party tena sinti me nkama ada sanente sabi o mo ba be wi amanfo no meka ne kyena chi omu betu kalam se meka ne kyena chi se no na dia beti no opposition for 100 years e dia benya tena ho if se so beje manfo ni tumi a ye no somo mo ye fa me bo mapo it's a mema se mo akufo ado boni o ye manfo no boni o mo ye ana meka ye nti ye lusu dia ene me de nyame ase se me di no kura me ye lusu nanso ante sa ene me ye lusu ye no ho ye mpese ye beka ma ada sanwa hunu nti ane ye be Okatakyi na me president Maju obi levy.
Unyo obi levy. My levy be ya nenya. Ya wo say o kasa di ti ai.
Wo wa hu say me kasa di ti ai. E won a demonstration me ye okro obi ye bi. A parliament me nam ko gina parliament anim for 3 hours demonstration obi ye bi. E dia na ban ye make atachie me so kana me tie. Mon kan no kurati da bia na mo pe bibi di ahye me. Akufo do aban je no ye anya mo se me so. Why na say hey wo gina ma musa kwese. Why na wo man we mu oni Akufo do aban ko chen me ko Afrifa. Kani baba ko pe. Oliver Baka boma wa na mu ye ni say me ko Afrifa fix the country Oliver Baka o no fra bloche by one na nim no. Me na me
ade ye ya pa ni say obi endaye na wakata na ni so wada na yese kwanyane no. A very very painful pa say obi ndaye na yese kwana kwanyane no. Kwajoja anto ande o ka kire yese enanu ya Dr. Bawumia ayi ni nkrofo mbe kasama no we wa ha obi oponkoma wa ha we wa ha no msi wona we ye nsemtwereni na wo anim no we ye obi a yesua wo no o ka kire Ghana fo o ka kire wahwefo no atifo se one ti one huna mboboso. You can put them on board na ka se ebia we de oni ne nya adwenka we ne be sha. But you are too emotional on enema ohunu se nkwala bi ekeka on social media. Oma wabobom din against the NPP ni nyina no. Ope omo times 10 obenya mo NDC mu. In fact, say osi ode no kre ena ye adwuma, you can attest to the fact that sankrofo we nyina no. The NPP I will say sa o transit we wo kasa di the thing we nyina no omusua ni nyina free NDC for. Ende abronye seso ena wonya bi ewo NDC mu ana. Political mavis na oboni di ne seso ena wonya bi ewo NDC mu ana. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no ase boapayo bi nkrofo bi ewo asem se chese ade no wonu pa se gidie ewo no mu pa nso. Ono na adwen na papa no nya mfa yenti no still papa no ye credible. Bawumia no nkrofo bebre ewo gidie wo no mu se obetimi aye adwuma no but ono na asem bi a waka kire Bawumia mfanti no still only Bawumia nya adwen Bawumia nya credible Bawumia nya competent. I mean, what is that? Ade no wo ho social media wo bosses here Dr. Bawumia mpenifo mo kasama no ni nyina wo ho. In any ways opese wo ka kire me say Abbas Nuruddin no hwan no ma wabo no omo na enum kasa echie Henry Kobina Kukufu Dr. Kukufu so da so kasama party no eye nsem bi a mo makato Ghana ni tim ni say no matter what truth factual MPP ni beka bia no mo njindi ena no beka Dr. Yewedichuma sem ende wo sanso bonidin Aduchum, how many times na on ko TV, on ba TikTok, ye hosting or TikTok hanum say na all expressing no na all chire MPP policies mu on education. Because on your front liner of the party nti. Jo Mahama AU party communicators on be kasa dia ma no ewa yi no. Wa hunu si jo ono Jo Mahama na nkasa oka ho bi. Wa hunu si party chairman na say din ketia oka ho bi. Etoda ye ni ase papa no o ma na dwenkyere na ase papa no ese aduru na nimo sandu na nimo se waka na papa no nyante o chinchi na atwanse wo de wanya tu papa no fa wo nya mfa yenti no papa no sebi woni ne nya adwen onye credible onye competent we will keep on losing fine brains because of media. And I've come to conclusion say the media is deciding for us as a nation. No, media ni decide my. Omo mu didi atem on social media say wo so a ubetimi ahun say NDC nkwala so didi atem. Na hwan na ka kire say political mavis ni abronye no mo da ben na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be ka kire Ghana for say abronye ni spokesperson. Da ben na Dr. Bawumia be ka say Kuka ni spokesperson, Kuka Kasama no. All these are guys who in their way almost try say party no nhihye ni policy bi ene se bio ono so na famu dia obetimi e dia akasa dia defend the party no e na wo ye woni ne nya adwen obetimi akọ wayward but it doesn't justify the fact to say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e na ma na kwanya oman ya yetimu da ben na obi akoka say we na ama me akwanya se mi ndi we atem nti wo pese wo kire say wonte se ya di Bawumia tem from the NDC camper oso betimi aka say Jo Mahama sa se mesi wo NDC mu. Some of them penifo ni be in this industry no yetimi kata ya nini akasem bi ya me see sansemu na obi beka nyina no all because our access to Bawumia wa frɛ Bawumia na se wa share Bawumia wa kasem a kire Bawumia anya implement sansemu na waka nitin Bawumia sebi o onye ni papa amambu na mo pese Ghana yebu no enye saa amambu no na mpenifo na wo mo da party na no wo mo so wo mo dwene nti wo kire wa adwen na se nipa na mfa enye chinchina atwan se nipa no wa adwen na wa kire ne na ye papa. You are not in the shoes of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No waka say, oh, dear now I can look at the thousands of people every day omonya access to him. Nti please, mamun katamwani enka sembisa. Me, I'm getting so disappointed in you and some of your utterances are recently umeki. And today, what justify the Achire Ghana for nyina say, wo de wa catch Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ABC de wonya ye nintino. And into won kana sim krabim. Yes, you may not like some of the utterances. Of course, some of us are not also happy with some of the utterances. But enen chiresi nya wunimu no manka. You are aware, said Dr. Bawumia, ayi nkofo ombe kasama nkofo mo ni bedi djuma. Enche ye. Nti ka ho asem ebia we de mene nya adwen. Polyandor in this region. Who doesn't know the style of polyandor? Apia Stadium kra so kasa ni papa na edwo mahama ono kra kasama NDC Apia Stadium. Please, with all due respect, toda yempenifo ni bi wo ho a NPP no ne ntimi nya adwen Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no wo chinchina atwa wo ne ntimi nya adwen but ade bi so wo ho man kata wani mbeka o kan sa dia nyamia no manukware ni o kan sa dia na wo hyeda because encheye na papa na yi ne kasamafo ya ye social media ha nyina no ye mu bi bebre na nim Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia physically wo hu ni da NDC for bebre na omoti social media kika bebre na nshia Jo Mahama no physical na ebia na campaign. Jo Mahama has never called any NDC ni bia say or no because okasa de ma NDC data ye dey adwuma social media. Nobody, no leader buys us data, but in our way any say dia ebetimi ahu say oh asem we ebetimi akyerechire mu nya we akan dia wanka ni ye nya we akan na wo say no ka no. We do it in contest. But offer any money nyina na o de betua twato say ye ne kasa de ma Mahmoud Bawumia. You are not being fair to the man. Only papa ni ndi ni ye. But as usual, waka wanti watu nufu wantie nti chinchina atwan. And yes sir, opeso kire me say you can confidently confirm to Ghanaians say ye be call into 2028 elections sir. Apart from Enkrofona NDC for be you omo say omo nkasa mfama party no ye nya obia so be make reference obia so be make utterances obia so be comment e dia ma NDC ana no sanity say sadia mo amwo radio stations ni TV stations mo so mo ka sem bi de ma party bia party ni be yi anu nka nche mo say wanso mo so mo nka na sana. We don't do things like that. Me, I disagree with you, senior. I disagree with you completely on this state.